A second legal challenge against Obamacare has been shot down.
Today, the Supreme Court upheld the subsidies that are a fundamental part of the Affordable Care Act. News 13's John Lee joins us.
John, you spoke to one family that gives us some insight into what the ACA has meant to them.
That's right. The Supreme Court's ruling, of course, divides the nation when it comes to public opinion. But an Asheville couple says Obamacare has been a lifesaver, relieved that those subsidies remain.
Life is precious, that you need to value those moments.
When it comes to health care, peace of mind is a luxury many just can't afford.
It's sure nice not to have to be worrying about, so how are we going to pay for the medicine? How are we going to pay for the chemo?
Belinda Hultberg has battled cancer for 5 years. Her uterine cancer metastasized to a lung.
We've got a lot of worries. We've got a lot of stuff to deal with.
Husband Dave says the Affordable Care Act has given he and his wife a fighting chance, supporting the Supreme Court ruling.
Without that decision, if they took away the subsidies, we would be in a difficult place.
Things are already hard enough.
Would we still have insurance? Yeah, we'd come up with insurance, but it would mean the quality of our life would just take a nosedive.
Jacqueline Kiger of Pisgah Legal Services says the High Court decision gives many like the Hultbergs a lifeline. 500,000 people in North Carolina alone.
Coverage that's available, as well as the financial security and the peace of mind of knowing that you have access to the care that you need when you need it, is really critical.
Before ACA, we were paying $1,500 a month for insurance, and now we're paying $400. And getting a lot better care.
With a 2-month-old grandchild, Belinda is determined to make a full recovery. They saw Lucy just last Sunday.
Yeah, if that's so much.
Yeah.
I didn't feel any pain when they were there.
Yeah. And there's been quite a bit of pain to this.
Yeah, this is the most painful thing.
For Dave and Belinda, the bottom line is far bigger than the Supreme Court. Her care continues, and so do the long-term plans with little Lucy.
My goal is to see her grow up.
And many Republican leaders maintain the health care system is broken and needs to be fixed. Governor McCrory saying it's time to build a North Carolina-based reform plan that focuses on healthier patients at a more affordable cost. Larry, Tammy.